Hi all friends, are you looking for the best robot vacuum cleaner? Please note that this robot vacuum cleaner has been upgraded. If you've received a new robot vacuum cleaner, then you are in the right place. In this video, you are going to review the top 5 best robot vacuum cleaners on the market. We'll see each robot vacuum cleaner and select the best one based on personal preference, reviews, and orders. Okay, let's get started with this video. The ultimate solution for effortless cleaning. This advanced robot vacuum features an auto-empty station that can hold up to 60 days of debris in its large 2.5-liter dust bag. With a powerful 3,000 PA suction, it effectively cleans various surfaces. The ILIFE T10s offers 3 to 4 operating modes and is powered by a long-lasting Li-ion battery, providing 2 to 2.5 hours of cleaning time. The HEPA filter ensures clean air, while the planned cleaning route and wireless operation enhance convenience. AliLiFE T20S LDS Robot Vacuum Cleaner, designed for powerful and convenient cleaning. With a robust 5,000 PA suction and a 60-day auto-empty dock, it provides hands-off cleaning for both wet and dry sweeping. Weighing 3 kilograms, this efficient vacuum operates wirelessly with a planned cleaning route. It features a Li-ion battery that delivers up to 2 hours of cleaning time. The compact design, 335 to 335 to 95 millimeters, and the efficient dust box, capacity 1.5 litres, make it perfect for various surfaces. Certified by RoHS and CE, this ILIFE vacuum cleaner ensures quality and reliability. Ideal for both vacuuming and mopping, it offers a comprehensive cleaning solution from mainland China. Vacuum Cleaner Mop, a high-performance cleaning solution for your home. This versatile device offers powerful 6,000 PA suction, making it ideal for floor washing, carpet cleaning, and pet hair removal. With smart app control and wireless operation, it ensures convenience and efficiency. It features a HEPA filter and a turbo brush, enhancing its cleaning capability. The Laresar vacuum cleaner operates in 3 to 4 modes with a battery life of 2 to 2.5 hours. It has a compact design, 375 millimeters, and a dust box capacity of 0.5 liters. The planned cleaning route and timing reservation add to its smart functionality, making it a perfect addition to any home. XIAOMI MIJIA Robot Vacuum Cleaner Mop 3C Plus Enhanced Edition Pro C103, a cutting-edge cleaning solution with powerful 5,000 PA suction. This smart robot handles sweeping, washing, and mopping tasks efficiently. Weighing less than 3 kilograms, it features a HEPA filter, a turbo brush, and a dust box capacity of 0.5 liters. Its compact design, 325 to 325 98 millimeters, and wireless operation make it convenient for home use. The Li-ion battery provides 1 to 1.5 hours of cleaning, and the device supports smart app control for a seamless experience. With anti-falling and anti-collision features, it ensures safe operation. Certified by CB, CE, and RoHS, this 2024 release is perfect for maintaining a clean home. Laresar 01 Robot Vacuum Cleaner Mop with LDS Lidar navigation, designed for efficient home cleaning with smart planned mapping. This powerful robot offers 5,000 PA suction for floor washing, carpet cleaning, and pet hair removal. Weighing between 3 to 6 kilograms, it features a HEPA filter, turbo brush, and a dust box capacity of 0.5 liters. With a battery life of 2 to 2.5 hours, it ensures thorough cleaning. The compact size, 320 to 320 to 90 millimeters, allows it to navigate easily, while the intelligent features like anti-drop, anti-collision, and carpet boost mode enhance its performance. Certified by CE and RoHS, it supports app and voice control, making it a versatile addition.